If you want to keep your timeline organized and protect clips from accidental changes, learning how to lock tracks in DaVinci Resolve 20 is a simple but very useful skill. In this video, I'll show you exactly how track-based locking works, where to find the track header, and how to lock an entire track so nothing on it can be moved, trimmed, or deleted by mistake. If this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. When you're working in the Edit page timeline, look all the way to the left side of your tracks. The section before the clips begin is called the track header. This is the control area for each individual track, and it's where you'll find several important options for managing your timeline. If you've ever accidentally dragged a clip out of place or trimmed something you didn't mean to touch, this is the area that can save you a lot of time and frustration. To lock an entire track, find the padlock icon in the track header. This is usually located on the far left control panel of your timeline. Once you click that padlock, the whole track becomes locked. That means every clip on that track is protected from changes. You won't be able to move clips around, trim their edges, or delete them while the lock is active. This is especially helpful when you've already finished editing a track and want to make sure it stays exactly the way it is. For example, if you've built a music track, added sound effects, or lined up a set of dialogue clips that you don't want to disturb, locking the track is the safest option. It lets you continue editing other parts of your project without worrying about accidentally touching the locked track. And that's the key thing to remember. On the Edit page, this is the way to fully lock a clip or group of clips, because the lock applies to the entire track rather than just one individual clip. If you need to make changes later, simply click the padlock icon again to unlock the track. Once unlocked, the clips behave normally, and you can edit them as usual. So the process is very quick. Go to the track header, click the padlock icon, and your track is locked. Click it again when you're ready to edit. Using track locks is a great habit, especially on bigger projects where you have multiple video layers, audio tracks, and effects stacked in the timeline. It helps prevent mistakes, keeps your workflow clean, and gives you more confidence while editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next DaVinci Resolve guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.